And now, after all the soldering, I've completed the entire circuit, which is pretty simple actually, especially with a mini LED. And here, you can see the transistor I've used, which is 2N2222A. And the first pin here, if you see the transistor itself, first pin on the left, emitter, the middle base, right, collector. That is the pin order for 2N2222A. So 4, 2 and 1A at the end. That's what's the code for it. Here has an indicator LED. In order to show this circuit working, I have to turn off the lamp. But before I start, I have to strongly warn you. For your phone and your sensitive electronic device, especially hard pacemaker, if you do have any of those electronic nearby, make sure you remove them. If you have any hard pacemaker, do not switch on this project at all. And one of the troubleshooting will be switching around the primary coils, basically this pin to the other to the next. Just like that, you switch it around, those two flipped around, or you flip the entire coil around, it will do the trick. Basically, it will only work by one way, basically showing from the windings, it must be opposite to each other. And that's basically how you make the entire circuit. And now we're getting ready. When we're getting ready, we can switch off the lamp. And then connect to the power supply. Of course, just basically connect to the battery. Here you can use 9 volts up to 12 volts. First I'm gonna show you is mercury discharge gas lamp, containing the Panning's mixture. Beautiful glow of mercury. Of course, this glass is also made of quartz, so basically UV can get out. So just the reason they make it from quartz, so because you can see everything clearly from the spectroscope, but still you have to wear some sort of eye protection if you wish it to be very close and steady to the lamp, or else no worry, because the power generated is very low. And the next things I'm gonna show you is the CFL, or cathode fluorescent lamp. Warm up lit beautifully, which is just bright enough even just to read. You can see the word General NPN, even the room is pretty dark right now. Of course, nothing can beat one last thing. LED. The best things have ever been invented by mankind. Best energy saving. Also use so little energy that you can power the entire thing up so bright and very long life. Light emitting diode. You can show up the entire page very clearly just from the intensity of this thing. This thing will also run quite bright if I just let it touch one of the lead and let it go. You see? And you can bring some paper to scare the light a little. Still very bright. Which compared to the older version of LED, which I use here as the green indicator lamp, if you can see here. Indicator lamp will change its light intensity, also tell you the circuit is working or not if you connect the indicator lamp correctly. If you touch the top load, basically the output, the light intensity will reduce, but if you let it go, it will go back on. And if you touch any of other pins, it will do the same. And if you manage to switch anything on, you realize the intensity of the indicator will also drop as some of the power being transferred into this fluorescent tube. But still, this is a pretty good LED. Just consider the power factor. How bright. Just see, holding away from my hand, powered wirelessly by the electromagnetic field generated by this thing. So that's basically it. Bring you quite a lot of wonder about the world of electronic, also the wireless of high voltage as well. So basically it. Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time. And goodbye.